In this video, we're diving into the REPL Read, Evaluate, Print loop. This is a powerful tool that lets developers interact with the Node.js runtime. By entering JavaScript expressions and commands, the REPL evaluates them and immediately prints the results to the console. To get started, open your terminal or command prompt, type Node, and hit enter. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt symbol indicating that the REPL is ready for input. One of the simplest things you can do in the REPL is perform basic math operations. For instance, try typing 1 plus 2 and pressing enter. The REPL evaluates it and prints out the result 3. It's like a basic calculator, but you can also perform more complex operations, like 1 plus 2 by 3/4, which also evaluates to 3. Another useful feature is creating variables. To do this, you can use either var or let, followed by the variable name and a value. For example, typing let x equals 10 creates a variable x with the value 10. If you want to change the value of x, you can simply reassign it by typing x equals 20. And now x holds the value 20. If you want to display the value of a variable, use console.log. For example, typing console.x will print out the current value of x, which is now 20. Node.js REPL also supports multi-line expressions, meaning you can write code in the REPL just like you would in a JavaScript file. For example, you could write a do-while loop, and the REPL will automatically handle the continuation of the expression, running the loop as expected. The REPL also includes some built-in commands to add functionality. For instance, displays a list of all available commands and their descriptions, exits the REPL environment. .break lets you exit the current multi-line expression. Node.js REPL is a powerful tool that enables developers to test and experiment with JavaScript code in real time, almost like a basic JavaScript interpreter. Next, let's talk about globals in Node.js. Understanding globals is essential in JavaScript, especially in Node.js. The first global we'll cover is #filename. This represents the name of the currently executing script file, which helps if you need information about its location or its file name. Closely related is _name, which represents the directory name of the current script. It's useful when you need the script's location, but don't need the full path and file name. Another important global is process.cwd. This represents the current working directory of the Node.js process, providing information on the script's location relative to where Node.js is currently running. These are just a few of the basic globals. There are plenty more, and I encourage you to explore them on your own. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Node.js and other programming content. Thanks for watching.